Hello, welcome back to the channel where today I'm just on my own. I tell a lie, I'm also here with Sean. Hello. Bring a friend day. He's my friend for the day. Sorry, I had to go.
Mine's my day with my carer.
Yeah.
I'm not posting that.
But yeah, we're going to take you around the park, get you updates. We've got obviously the launch pad that opened a few weeks ago, so we'll take you around there and see how much of a waste of space it is, or not as the case may be. See if there's any new merch around, and yeah, get you some general updates from the park. It wouldn't be an Adventure Times vlog without having a quick look at the merch. Where I think we've actually got a new top, a new black one. Yes, they've added a new black t-shirt to the lineup. Looking very smart. They'll come off within about 6 weeks if you're lucky. Here's a look at your pin badges. I don't see any new ones here from previous time that we came on opening day. Right, here we come into the launch pad. Don't miss the, otherwise it'll be launch pad, and don't get that confused with Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Hey Sean, it's got a lovely theme in. Plants.
You make much more PG-13 content than I do. I don't want to discuss this god-awful space we're walking in.
I mean, it's, yeah. Look, we all have different views. I'm looking at the bigger picture here. Yeah, I mean, the floor's nice. There's a lovely plant.
The floor is one of them ones that you want to push kids over just to see if they bounce.
Yeah, it does feel a bit spongy.
It needs the test.
It does need a test. Go on then. Be one of those wrestler tests and they just fall on their back. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are obviously saying there needs to be more shade. I mean, they've got these big umbrellas around. Yeah, I don't know. Obviously, we were supposed to have like food stands. It looks like you can buy some merch over there. There's a vending machine. There's an empty space.
If they had events, like proper events,
this should be amazing.
And you had little food things here, and then you had like the football World Cup, for example. If they did like a World Cup event, this would be great. It just needs more shade.
Well, I mean, there is rumours that they could potentially show the football on there, which will be great, and this would be an awesome space to view it. But they're going to need a bar. They're going to need a few other things other than just a.
They need more umbrellas. They need more sort of seating areas.
Yeah.
It's a space for a warmer climate theme park, not a UK one.
Yeah, I don't know. I think maybe it's going to come in onto its own for events, but at the minute, yeah, it's a waste of space. I hate to say.
It has potential.
It has potential. Maybe we'll go with that. We'll go with it has potential, but right now it's shit. Yeah, obviously, lots of signs around for Fright Night's 25 Years of Fear this year. Me and Sean were actually just saying about that whole new The Launch Pad is whether or not they maybe like have something to do with Fright Nights. That would make it like an ideal area for a stage and a show with a screen behind the stage. That would be good. Or even like lots of Roman actors around there. It could be a phenomenal area, to be fair. But let's just be patient and give it time, I think. I'm trying to be positive. Don't want to be negative. Don't want to be a negative Nancy. Come off of a lovely ride of Swarm. Would like to note there seems to be new TV screens in there and like louder soundtrack as well. Just the mega store. Just have a quick nosy in, see if there's anything new in here. There is currently a deal on 3 for 2. Magnets, key rings and pin badges. It's a lovely blue construction wall. Isn't it lovely, Sean? Lovely. Lovely in blue.
Lovely.
Oh, can't even go through. You can, look, you can see weeds. And more weeds. And no, nothing's happened. Oh, look at that.
Look at all that prime coaster real estate.
Yeah, wood. It's a wooden I can confirm it's a wooden roller coaster. Here's the thing, maybe wood's down there because it's an RMC. We're getting a hybrid RMC, you've heard it here first. I don't know if anybody else has thought of this, but like, just sort of saying as we're walking around, like when we were over at Polden's Park a few weeks ago, it was lovely, it was clean, it was fresh, and brand new area, whereas like Thorpe and other Merlin theme parks just feels a bit dingy in places. Like, it just still needs a bit of a freshen up, doesn't it? Paint and don't know, very beige. Obviously when I'm with Hayley, I normally go in the wrap queue, but yeah, they've actually got water refill in the Hyperion queue line.
We are pleased to announce that.
Yeah, the penis plants are definitely no longer penis plants, I'm afraid. Just taking our ride on Hyperion after a very long wait. It wasn't 30 minutes. Yeah, it's still riding like a bag of spanners. It really is. It's not great. I'll ask you your thoughts of Hyperion. This is your first time since what, opening, or at least the first year?
Yeah, first year. I was like, okay, it looks smooth off ride.
Sounded smooth.
There's no noticeable, visible judder. But when you go on it, your head in particular, it's constantly. I have a tiny brain, so I could feel it pinging around my head, and I didn't like it. What's happened?
Oh no, it's just judder the ride.
That's not a Macbride's coaster at the moment.
That's more like a Gerstlauer.
That's like a Macbride's water coaster aged in the desert.
Well, there you go. You heard it here first. Sean knows better than me, but yeah, it's just disappointing, but it is what it is. I guess it's not aged well. I'm into POVS bar just for a snack. I'll just show you the menu quickly. Pretty decent. We just both gone for the cheesy nacho dips. But they also sell, although you can't sell because we're not allowed to keep the bottles, they do Hawkstone Lager. Yummy. Tasty, Sean. Nachos in the Merlin Park.
Someone's taking a shit on my nachos.
It does, it looks like it. Oh dear. There's some ice cream here, look at that, yummy. I'm not gonna lie, they do taste better than they look. So just a very short, quick update from Thorpe Park. Nothing's really changed. Hyperion is still shit. No, I shouldn't say that, should I? It's not very good at the minute. It's a bit juddery and yeah, no new merch. Disappointing, but to be expected. Queue times weren't too bad. Queue times weren't that bad today. They were about right, shall we say, maybe about 10 minutes off from what we from the time was to what we queued, but yeah. And the weather's been decent, so there we go. Sean, have you enjoyed Thorpe Park?
Good weather, good company, not a theme park I'm fussed about in the remote slightest, and I'm going to be reacquainted with my nacho.
Good.
Overall, a good day. At Thorpe.
Oh, good. There we go.
Them nachos are horrible.
Those
Don't buy
nachos,
them.
a bit dodgy. But there we go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and we should see you on our next adventure.